Hey folks, it's Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue, back here once again. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what's going to happen in the first 3 months of running a Google Ads campaign with us. Now, I'm going to assume that we're doing a fast launch PPC niche for you, but it would be very similar if we were doing it on a bucket of hours or on a custom campaign. But let's talk about the fast launch. So what's going to happen is initially you're going to go to our website and place an order. You can see our pricing right on the Inbound Revenue website, inboundrevenue.com. You're going to place an order. You're going to be directed to an intake form. And on that intake form, you're going to give us all the information we need for your campaign, ads, landing page, etc. Part of that's going to be your Google Ads account. As soon as we have payment, intake form, and access to your Google Ads account, we're going to get started. Two things are going to happen right away. We're going to start building the campaign and we're going to start building the landing page. As soon as those are done, we're going to do the launch process. So for us, we've got about a 20-step launch process. We're very meticulous and careful. We'll get you set up with all your lead tracking and call tracking. We're going to check over your campaigns, your budget, your extensions, make sure everything's perfect. Then we're going to launch. Now, after the launch, we always start out conservatively. We typically start out manual CPC on our launches, and we're going to come in after about 2 or 3 days and do a post-launch check. That post-launch check lets us look to see if we need to increase bids, if we need to add some negatives, just the basic things to make sure your campaign's healthy. Now, typically what happens if you're in one of our fast launch PPC niches, you're going to start to see leads fairly quickly. It might slow down a little bit if we have to adjust the bids up high. We try to be conservative to start. Bids up higher, I should say. We try to be conservative when we start. But you're going to start seeing leads right away. Now, what's going to happen the first month, we're going to sort of let that data grow, make sure there's enough search volume, make sure you're getting leads. And then second month, we might start to get creative. Once you have enough leads, we're probably going to run a test. We're going to probably run a test of target CPA or something like that. So what that will do is split your traffic in half. Half of it will go to the existing campaign, half of it will go to the new campaign, and we'll see which performs better. So the second month is usually taking a look at that, letting it run, see which performs better. Sometimes one performs better than the other. If manual CPC is outperforming the target CPA, then that's what we're going to, with max conversions, then we're going to go with the manual and stay with that. So in the second month, you should have a solid lead flow. By the third month, we should know exactly what you're going to get for your budget in the area that you're in. We should have a steady lead flow. And during the third month, we can recommend budget increases if you need more leads, or we can recommend any other changes. Maybe we need to come up with a better offer. Maybe we need to do something with the landing page, something like that. But that's what happens in the first 3 months of a Google Ads campaign that we'll run for you. And I say 3 months because we don't recommend even starting if you're not going to run 3 months, because it takes a little while to zone things in. Every market's different, every client is different, every niche is a little different. So give yourself 3 months. If you don't have the time or money to invest 3 months, you probably don't want to run Google Ads at this point. Once again, I'm Mark Kelly. I own Inbound Revenue. Check us out at inboundrevenue.com. Drop any questions or comments below. Be glad to talk to you.